So day 3 in Barcelona, and we have to train today. So we have a tour of Camp NOU, which is a place I wanted to be for since I was a little kid. I wanted to visit this place, and I'm so happy and excited to visit it. Dude, if you fell off that thing, you're done. So high up. This is view from my angle, and then it goes all the way up there. Dude, how long has this building been under construction?
That's mad, bro. For like 100 years?
Yeah, over 100 years in construction. It's whack. Dude, this place is kind of crazy, Brady. I know, bro. It's so big. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carlos. Happy birthday to you. How does it feel to be in Camp NOU?
This feels good.
Dude, it's kind of, I've been wanting to go here ever since I was a kid. It's so bright though. Forgot my sunglasses too, so it's cool. Let's see, day 3 is going pretty well. I'm to go see the Familia Sagrada, and yeah, it's just a big church. It's huge, a lot of history towards it. And now we're here in Barcelona Stadium. Oh, that's, so you get guys?
Yeah, he does.
This is very awkward.
I like convert it to women.
Oh, so you used to like guys?
No. That's it.
You just admitted.
Oh, no. He would stare at guys.
Whoa! That's nasty.
What?
That is.
No.
You're weird. Dude, look at all these. Dude, look at all these. Dude, the original soccer ball. These cleats. That's such a flex. Dude, look at all the Ballon d'Ors. Oh my god. Dude, this is actually crazy. Dude, Messi's so good at soccer.
He's the best in the world.
Nope. Hunter goes, I'm better than him.
Eric.
Okay. Eric's best. Ever to live. The stadium. Really walking up. Oh my. Dude. Oh my gosh. I'm going up there. Or, no, I can't. Boys, can we talk about this stadium? I've wanted to be here for so many years. So many people, after you think about, like, if all the seats were full, like, dude, I wanted to come here since I was a kid. Like, I love this team. It's crazy. Just being here and stuff. Crazy. Ooh! Send me, when we get to the hotel, send me that. Walking down the steps that the Barcelona players take. Dude, this is so crazy. Bruh, I've wanted to be here for so long. I couldn't even imagine. This thing looks giant, but we played on this size, so.
Down the front here.
You'd rather be a gamer than a professional soccer player? Are you serious?
Like that, a gamer.
A gamer?
Bro, pass to me.
Dude.
That's legendary.
I'm gonna sit on one of the chairs. Dude. They have like a full movie theater of just everything. Beautiful. And we're here. The store. Smells like, yeah, it smells whack. So this Barcelona mega store is actually 3 stories, so it's kind of insane. Dude, so many cleats too and other things you could buy. Oh my gosh. Alright, if I see something interesting, I might inform you guys. The jerseys here are like 130 euros, so it's like $150 for one of these. Holy, so expensive. Dude, I want to get one of these so bad.
Put this over your freaking jersey.
No, look at this. Dude. Smoked salmon sandwich. Dude, we out here. Dude, it's so hot.
I asked for a ham sandwich and they gave me like basically a bacon sandwich. So.
Dude, he got an authentic bag. I'm too poor. That's the type of bag I got. How much was that Fanta?
The Fanta was like 3 something.
Oh, dude, I got a big one for like
Yeah, that's like
one.
a supermarket. I got a big thing of water for like 70 euros.
We're really about to practice, bro. Look, damn, the cleats. Okay, relax.
Oh,
Alright, I'm about to get ready.
That sounds cute right there.
Are you ready to train?
Right now? Am I ready to pull everything in my body?
Dude, it's like 400 degrees out here, so playing in turf is so... I don't even want to do this. Hopefully, if I can record anything, I will. Finished up the shower and we're back from the training session. Honestly, I thought it was really confusing and it was hot and I felt like my feet were burning because it was on turf as well and I was just dying trying to play. How'd you feel like it was?
I feel like I'm bad.
Yeah, me too. Honestly, I played so bad too, and some of the things were confusing or were just stupid. It's probably the second one.
For the friggin' Spanish dude, it's like, okay, we have ball here, and then when you pass ball and you receive it, control here.
Yeah, boys. You know, I had to spend a little bit at the Barca store. I mean, we're only here once, really. So I bought this crew neck, and then I bought this jacket, which is kind of a flex.
That's kind of a flex. It's $120 jacket.
Shut up. You're not supposed to tell them the price. You know, your boy had to get some ice cream. I'm so tired. Going back to the hotel. We out here at Good Burger, or whatever it's called.
It's the Good Burger.
My bad. That face. You like your food? That face. Okay. What? That's small. Come on, bro. I'm ready for the big one.
Hey, have you guys seen the cantaloupe?
You guys are sus.
Why are you buying them if you're not going to use them?
Yeah, for real. He's never gonna use them.
You're not going to use them.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
I'm ready.
With the oh, yo, he really got you like that.
Just got roasted.
Did you hear what he said?
We're all like Eric's not gonna use that, and then the guy goes with hands.
That's actually crazy, dude. Oh, that was on the vlog. I'm not cutting that out, by the way.
Bro, I really just got roasted by a guy.
End of the day, we did probably more today than we did any of the days. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We're just going to another hotel, and it's supposed to be way nicer than this one. See you guys.